The International Code of Signal ICS Annex 4 describe method for visual signaling of single letter, particularly using flag signaling and semaphore signal. Here's a concise explanation of how transmission and reception are done using visual signaling of signal letter.
November, no negative response. Yankee, I'm dragging answer dangerous and heavy weather. Delta, keep clear of me, I am maneuvering with difficult. Victor, I require assistance, very important distress signal. Whiskey, I require medical assistance. Lima, you should stop your vessel immediately, important for preventing collision.
This signal combination is unusual and might not be a standard distress signal. It could potentially indicate a vessel carrying dangerous cargo that is experiencing failure dragging its anchor and urgently needs communicate. However, it's important to note that this interpretation is based on the individual flag meaning and might not be a recognized distress signal.